In the heart of a lush green jungle where vines twisted like playful snakes and sunlight filtered through a dense canopy, lived a curious monkey named Kavi. One day, while swinging through the branches, Kavi stumbled upon a hidden glade bursting with vibrant flowers and a shimmering pond. As he explored, he discovered a small trapped parrot with brilliant feathers. Using his agility, Kavi helped free the parrot, who introduced himself as Rio. In gratitude, Rio revealed a secret treasure hidden deep within the jungle, a grove of golden fruit that granted strength and wisdom. Together they ventured into the depths of the jungle, forging an unbreakable friendship and uncovering the jungle's mysteries.